Hey there, we are doing so many 3, 2, 1 buy downs that I wanted to make a super fast video to explain exactly what happens and where money goes when you are doing a 3, 2, 1 buy down. So just to recap, a buy down is where you buy your interest rate down either 1% the first year, 2%, or 2% the first year, 1% the next year, or 3% the first year, 2% the next year, 1% the following year. So super easy. So hypothetically, if your loan amount is $400,000 and the market rate is 6.5%, essentially your payment would have been this range right here. But on the 3, 2, 1 buy down, it's going to be 3.5% interest rate the first year. So your payment's like $700 lower. Then next year it goes 4.5. Then the next year it goes to 5.5. And then all years after it goes to 6.5. And it stays there. So there is actually no true cost to doing this program. There's no fee to do the program. The cost to do the program is that all we're doing is we're taking the difference in the monthly savings that it would have been for 12 months that first year, the difference in the payment savings the second year, and then the third year. And in this case, that comes out to be this amount. And so essentially this money is held in an escrow account of sorts, and that money is used to subsidize the payments on what it would have been at a market rate. So there's no fee for the program. It's just, this is the cost. This cost does have to be paid for by the seller, and it can be rolled into the price of the house as a seller concession as long as the house appraises. And hypothetically, if a customer or a person refinances, like let's say year 2, and only half of this money that was set aside was used, you do not lose that money. It gets applied towards a principal reduction whenever you refinance. So there is truly no downside to using this program. You can't lose money, and it just helps ease those payments for a customer while they're waiting for that refinance opportunity. And I wanted to show you, if you've got, from our realtor friends, if you've got a listing that you're having a hard time moving, we do make custom flyers for the buy down with your listing information specifically. So just wanted to share that with you, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, or thanks.